Can I learn Balisong tricks in less than 60 minutes? A skilled user can open the blade with a flourish in less than a second, and I want to do that too, but I've never used this before, so can I do it? So what I'm going to try and do is learn the basics and then do a flourish at the end of the video to see if I can look cool.
To the closed position, it is this.
The Balisong or butterfly knife is from a Filipino martial art, and social medias like YouTube and TikTok have popularized the tricks. The one I'm using is blunt for decorative purposes. Subscribe and like to see if I can do this at the end.